And here at the Tampa RV Show, we're debuting our new 24R floor plan. First of all, our gorgeous side hinge doors to our gigantic gear garage that we have in the back. This is our twin bed in the rear floor plan. But I want to highlight that you can make this massive space in the middle here. And you can keep it as twin bed setups, or you can pull this mid piece down here and turn it into a full queen. I've heard it called if the Echo and the View had a baby. I'm Stephanie Whittington with Winnebago. I'm the product manager for our Views and Navions. And here at the Tampa RV Show, we're debuting our new 24R floor plan. So we'll take you on a quick tour. As you can see, first of all, we've got a whole new exterior design on here. We have 3 different color options for our exteriors. These are all full body paint, absolutely beautiful, nice and minimal. You'll notice here in the back, let's talk about, first of all, our gorgeous side hinge doors to our gigantic gear garage that we have in the back. Heated, power, you can put e-bikes back here. This thing is fantastic to fit any kind of gear that you want to take along with you. We'll keep walking around the side here. Rear access door here as well. So however you guys want to package or store this, you've got L tracks in the back. So if you want to put racks, if you want to attach whatever you'd like in there, you can get access from both sides as well as this back door here. So tons of flexibility that you can do with these units. You'll also notice something kind of cool in here. Actually, I'll have you come back in. You'll notice in the back here, you've got a fresh tank drain. And why is that important? Because it's actually, this coach is rated down to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. So when we did all of our water systems, we wanted to make sure that you can use this coach in the winter conditions down to 10 degrees. And so the fact that we have it located in the back here in our gear garage that has heat, we're really trying to protect any of your water systems so you can continue to use your coach like you would regardless of the season. So we'll even keep coming around here as well. You'll notice that our service center is behind a full thick panel door here. Getting into the service area, I know it's a little thing, but as we're looking at being able to use this all season, that's something that actually matters. So we'll go ahead and go inside then. So this is our twin bed in the rear floor plan and our Hygge house interior. Scandinavian design. It's intended to be luxury, to feel warm and comfortable when you walk into the coach, and you'll see that with some of the different accent colors that we have. As you come in here too, right here on the right, you're gonna see our Winnebago Connect platform. This is the first in the industry to be purpose-built for RVs. This is our fully connected coach system. It is a smart RV. You can control it from the panel here. You can connect it to your phone. You can control your energy management. You can do all of your HVAC stuff. You can set up your pet minder. So that way it'll monitor the interior of your coach and let you know if it starts getting too hot or too cold inside. When you have your pets, then maybe you went out for a hike or went out for lunch for the day. So a fantastic platform that really makes it so easy to manage your coach and to feel like you have complete control whether you're inside the coach or you're out doing your activities for the day. So full bunk in this particular unit. You can also get a low profile front cap, which turns that into a storage space. Of course, you've got your Mercedes chassis here as well. We are the only ones today offering both the rear wheel drive Mercedes as well as an all wheel drive option on the Mercedes. And this baby's fully loaded. You've got heated seats, you've got all the safety features. You've got everything that you're gonna need on there. Digital rear view mirror, blind spot monitoring, all the safety that you expect in your coaches. Your galley space here with both your induction and your propane based cooktops. And then you've got this really nice full round sink. You can fit all kinds of things in there. It makes it really easy to clean up your dishes. Convection microwave on the top here, television, and then if you get a shot of these beautiful seats here too, these are full recline. We actually have these custom made for us. This is the most comfortable theater seat that you will ever sit in. You can lounge and recline and just really enjoy that. $10 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator here. Tons of space. I mean, you can fit whatever you need in here. Full grocery runs, all kinds of space. Yep. On this side here, you've got your bath. And what I'll show you here too, so this will be your shower on the side, but I want to highlight that you can make this massive space in the middle here and open both doors to have a full cross bath space, full cross coach area here for dressing, for showering, whatever you need. All right, so rear twin bed setup back here. You can keep it as twin bed setups, or you can pull this mid piece down here and turn it into a full queen in the rear. Tons of overhead storage back here. You can see just lots of space for you to put clothes or gear, whatever you want to have back here. You've got drawers down here on the bottom, and then you've got 2 wardrobes each across from each other as well. This is also our WinSleep mattresses back here. These things are unbelievably comfortable. They'll last you a long time. You're not going to be going into your RV and buying, and the first thing you're going to throw your mattresses out. These babies are fantastic. They're ready for you to sleep on day one.
And then if they wanted to turn it into a massive king bed, so those cushions come into play?
Yep, so it's a clean setup if you flip it over here. And with the sheets, it's a little bit snug. But anyways, so you just pop this down here.
Wow.
And then you've got this full space.
Is it safe to say that this is the View R, is the Echo on steroids?
I've heard it called if the Echo and the View had a baby, but it is very similar in that sense. This is definitely for somebody who loves this type of a setup, loves to have the gear garage, but wants a little bit of that extra space with the slide, wants some of those extra luxuries, a little bit of that boosted comfort element. This is a fantastic option for them, and they love, you know, the Mercedes base and the ability for them to really travel wherever they want to go.
What is the CCC on this?
This particular unit that we're standing in here has a cargo carrying capacity over 800 pounds. And that's going to be typical across any of your Mercedes bases, right? They're just chassis that have weight limitations. That is entirely typical. And so it's something that I know a lot of our owners, even today, it's, you know, as you're packing up and loading, you're mindful of what you're taking with you. And let's be real, we're RVers, we're minimalists anyways, right? True. And so we want to make sure that we have the things with us that we need, and weight management is just a part of that on these Mercedes chassis regardless.
And the towing capacity, would you say 3,000 pounds?
On a 3500 like this, if you're at cargo carrying capacity, you're probably more in the neighborhood of 4,000 pounds that you can tow with.
That's good to know.
Yeah, and as you go up to some of the larger chassis as well, you sacrifice that. So you're going into lower towing capacity if you're gonna load up to full cargo carrying.
And then one thing left is to show them the shower, I guess. This door, which is also the same door that you showed us that would separate the front from the back.
Yep, exactly.
Comes with the towel rack already. Nice big size shower with skylights at the top. Very comfortable, very spacious. And then the wood is protected by this would-you dry door. And then you have full privacy. And the back room is completely separated from the front, full privacy, lots of headroom, even standing up, you're sitting down.
Yeah, and I'm sitting full height here, and I'm 5'8", so, and I've got lots of room.
And then ducted AC running throughout the cabin.
Yep.
For the heating, is it a furnace or is it like a Truma? What did you guys use for this?
Yep, so we've got a propane-based furnace in here. Our standard unit, even with the air conditioner, comes with a GE with a heat pump as well, so if somebody prefers that. And then we've also got the optional air conditioner for the Truma Aventa, so you can add that in as well.
So this is also, by the way, a heated cargo section. Completely heated again, just like Stephanie said. It's certified for 10 Fahrenheit. So you could definitely utilize this space for anything you want to bring along and know that it's going to be heated, sealed, and secure. This is your Mercedes provided blind spot detectors. And you have your quick connect here for the propane if you wanted to bring in a grill or something and use it. Here you have a huge cargo space with your inverter disconnect and battery disconnect. Your Aquago Truma heater is right here. So there are, you know, a show debut here at the Tampa RV show on a Mercedes chassis is just beautiful. The View 24R, it's gorgeous. and definitely ready to hit the road. It's got these steps to go inside, all Winnebago branded, and the hooks for the dog leash so that your beloved pets can be safe and secure. The slide out is as such not a huge slide, but it adds so much space into the cabin. It comes standard with the slide toppers right there. Obviously, all the windows are acrylic, dual pane, insulated, beautiful windows. And you have a conveniently located light here above your water compartment here, your water pump. Everything is here so you can actually see what you do at night. You know, black waste tank flush inlet, the freshwater inlet, your 30 amp port, power port is right here. And just like I said, the View 24R 2025 debuting here at the 2025 Tampa Super RV Show. And I'd like to show you also the other color combination of the 24R. This one is the bright tan color, beige color interior, with all the cabinets are all brighter with the gold accent. Again, it's a beautiful rear 2 twin bedroom. And just to show you the details of the headboard, the lights, the cubbies, plenty of storage all around. You have another TV here in the back. Again, the same door system that separates the front from the back, the shower. And let me see if the interior colors of the toilet is any different than the other one that we just viewed. Yeah, this is a little different for the color scheme, but still offering the same comfort and same amount of storage. It's just beautiful. Lots of storage underneath the sink. Nice big sink. 1 propane and 1 induction cooktops. Convection microwave. Beautiful. The weave flooring. Spots for your lagoon table. You can either have it as a dinette here with these reclining seats, or you can swivel both of your front seats and use it over there, work, dine. Very nice, very comfortable over the cab. Just wanted to show you the different color options. So you have 2 options. It's available. Go get yourself one and hit the road for amazing adventures. Subscribe, like and comment, and I'll see you on the road.